guys, so I'm gonna make some dry rub seasoning for the pork ribs that we're doing tonight. Do 1.5 cups of paprika.
Yeah. Yes. And you're gonna make it now.
Let's do 1/3 cup.
I wanna do it.
Of celery seed.
I wanna do it.
That. Okay. All right, bud. Can you empty that in there, nice and gentle?
No, gentle, bud.
Okay. 1/4 cup of black pepper. Maybe a little bit less than 1/4 cup. Dump it gentle, bud. Gentle. Okay. We are gonna do 1/4 cup of the good old garlic powder.
I want to do it. It's hot.
Alright, dump that in there gentle. So we got garlic powder, black pepper, celery, seeds, paprika.
Done.
Then I'm going to do 1/2 cup of seasoning salt.
I want to.
Let's smell it. Smell it. It's a little strong.
It's really strong.
So what we're going to do
I want
instead,
dump it.
we're going to do
Dump it.
1/3 cup instead of 1/2 cup.
I want dump it. I want dump it.
Hold on, I'm not ready yet.
Oh. Stop.
Alright.
Stop.
Okay. Here, dump it in there, please. Here, don't make a big mess. Yeah, gentle. So we use the whisk. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is, let me mix this in gently. I think it's going to be a little bit easier for it to mix in. Here, you can help by using this. Now this bowl is a little old, so it might stain this bowl. That's okay. We're going to get a new bowl, I think, soon enough.
Okay.
Like this to it. I also have some parsley flake here that I bought 2 big containers of.
Okay.
So that I had empty containers for my spices.
We'll use that.
Like this right here. So now I have 2 empty containers with nothing on them, so that I can make my own spice blend and add a cool label like this to it. Bbq Rotisserie Rub. And then I also have a BF Brisket Rub, which, if you can see that, there's little black dots in there. That's actually coffee. This is my little helper. Buddy, what's your name?
Marky.
What's your name? Marky. So your name is Mark. How old are you? Can you get down, please?
Sure.
Get down. And how old are you?
3.
Let's add 1/3 cup and dump it.
Okay.
I think the last thing I'm going to add to this is probably going to be some brown sugar. To add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, because it does have, brown sugar has molasses in it.
I want to dump it
And
now.
the molasses is going to be really good for
Dump it.
flavoring the meat and stuff. So, I'm try to incorporate this in pretty good here.
Hello.
Yep, okay. So you do that. Dad's going to add another 1/4 cup. Now, like that, of brown sugar. Dark brown sugar.
Brown
If
sugar.
you use the golden, there's less molasses in it, I think. Okay, now, can I let me see this? You did a very good job, bud.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, so we might have a little bit too much to go in one container. So, first of all, let me see what we got here. This is the one I don't want to use right now. I want to use this, so we're going to open this up. It is dry, washed it, took the labels off. It's all nice and clean. Now, let's see, does it fit? Close enough. I'm sure that we could probably hold it, or just maybe, oh, like that. Let's see, is it in? There. What I could probably do in the future is get some boiling hot water, put it on this, get it hot, and then try to force it in here like this, and then it'll maybe shrink a bit. Okay, so we're gonna tip this over and gently try to put this in here.
So, how do you think?
Might be very close.
Yep. Too much. Oh, too much. Too much. Too much. Too much.
Look at that, actually. Okay. Let's see the cap. That was perfect. It's like I've done this before, maybe once or twice.
Yes.
But this is a new blend we're going to try out. We'll see how it goes, and we'll see hopefully this week. So we're going to leave it at that.
And like this.
Don't forget to join, subscribe, and like our videos.
Yes.